Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 13, that is ways to multiply and divide. Chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Now the today's topic is Mani Ratnam, the cashier. So this topic is based on the different ways of the multiplication. So let's see it. Mani Ratnam is the cashier of King Jayan. His job is to find out the salary of all the people who work for the king. So which persons are working here? Let's see. This chart shows how much salary each person gets in a day. So here are the persons and here salary in a day. Persons who work for the king. So first one is minister and he gets 195 rupees for per day. And horse rider is getting 76 rupees in one day. Cook is getting 65 rupees for one day. Now Mani Ratnam wanted to calculate the salary of the cook, which is 65 rupees per day for the month of January. Okay, first here we know that the January has 31 days. Okay, so now he is going to find cook's salary for the 31 days. So for that, what we have to do? Yes, for one day he is getting how much rupees? Rupees 65. So for 31 days, one day rupees 65 and 31 days. Here you can compare in the days, one day and 31 days. Means here we are finding the value for maximum, minimum to maximum. Here one day and here 31 days. One is minimum number and 31 is maximum. So in this condition, just multiply the numbers. Now here we multiply 31 to 65. So the cashier is multiplying 65 to 31 in a different ways. So let's have a look. 65, just divide 60 plus 5 and 31 divided in 30 plus 1. So in the blue box, here you can see this is the multiplication of 60 and 30. 60 multiply 30. So total he got 1800. Then next in the pink box, 5 multiply 30. So he got 150. Now in the yellow box, 60 multiply 1, 60 and 5 multiply 1, 5. So he found the product 1800, 150, 60 and 5. At last here he just add the all numbers. Rupees 1800 plus 150 plus 60 plus 5 is equals to rupees 2015. Okay, so 2015 rupees is the salary of the cook for 31 days, means for the month of January. Now Mani Ratnam's daughter Bela has learnt another method to multiply. She wrote like this and showed it to Banu, her brother. So here is the solution, means the way of another multiplication. 65 multiply 31. Okay, so what did she do? That she just multiply 1 multiply 5 and 1 multiply 6. So 1 5 ja 5, 1 6 ja 6. So first step completed. Now what is remaining? 3. So here 3 is in its tens place. So 3 tens means 30. Okay, so now 65 multiply 30. Here you can see 65 multiply 30. So she got 1950 rupees. So now add this all. 5 0 5, 6 plus 5 11, 1 carat, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carat, 1 and 1 2, 2015. So the both are the same answer, 2015 rupees, but the ways of multiplication is different. Now Banu tried to find the salary of a minister for the month of January. He wanted to multiply 195 multiply 31. Here January. January has 31 days. So salary of minister which 195 rupees for 1 day, and we will multiply 195 multiply 31. So he is also doing the same process. First 195 multiply 1. 1 5 ja 5, 1 9 ja 9, 1 1 ja 1, and what is remaining? 3. So here 3 is in its tens place. So 3 tens means 30. So 195 multiply 30. So here you can see it is written 195 multiply 30. So let's multiply. So it's very simple method. Here is 0. So first write 0 and 3 5 ja 15. Write 5. 1 will be carat. 3 9 ja 27. Plus 1 28. 8 and 2 will be carat. 3 1 ja 3. Plus 2 5. So I will write 5850. Now add 5 plus 0 5, 9 plus 5 14, 4, 1 carat, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carat, 5 plus 1 6, 6045 rupees. So this is the salary of minister for 31 days. Now practice time. Students solve practice time as homework. Now Shantaram, a special cook. So here is a word problem. So let's read it. Shantaram is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year he was called for only 28 days. For each day he has to be paid rupees 165. find out how much money he will get in all. So here we can write she paid for 1 day is equal to how much rupees? 165. 1 day is equals to rupees 165. So 28 days. 28 days. So here you can see we are finding that his salary for 28 days. So 165 multiplied 28 days. So let's use Bela's method. Here 165 multiplied 28. So here 28 means 20 plus 8. First 165 multiply 8. 8 5 ja 40. 4 will be carried and here 0. 8 6 ja 48. 48 plus 4 52. 2 5 carried. 8 1 ja 8 plus 5 13. So here 1320. And the next 165 multiply 20. So here write 0. And next 2 5 ja 10. 1 carried 0. 2 6 ja 12. 12 plus 1 13. 3 and 1. 2 1 ja 2. 2 plus 1 3. And then add 0 plus 0 0. 2 plus 0 2. 3 plus 3 6. 1 plus 3 4. 4620 rupees it will be paid to Shantaram for 28 days working. Now if he is called for all days of the year, how much salary will he get? So here is the solution. 165 multiplied 365. So 365 is equal to 300 plus 60 plus 5. For that 300 multiply is given. 165 multiply 300 and product 49,500. And 165 multiply 60 and 165 multiply 5. Find it. Here 5 5 ja 25. 5 2 will be carried. 5 6 ja 30. 30 plus 2 32. 2 3 will be carried. 5 1 ja 5. 5 plus 3 8. 825. Then write 0. 6 5 ja 30. 0. 3 will be carried. 6 6 ja 36. 36 plus 3 39. 9. 3 will be carried. 6 1 ja 6 plus 3 9. 9,900. Now add 5 plus 0 plus 0 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0 2. 8 plus 9 17. 17 plus 5 22. 2 2 will be carried. 2 plus 9 11. 11 plus 9 20. 0. 2 will be carried. 2 plus 4 6. So 60,225. He will get 60,225 rupees as a salary of whole year. Now find the salaries of the minister and horse rider for 1 year. Okay, so let's find salary for minister first. So the salary of the minister for one day was 195 rupees, and horse rider salary in a day rupees 76. Now solution. Number of working days is equals to 365. Salary of one day is equals to rupees 195. So 195 multiply 365. So first 195 multiply 5, and then 195 multiply 60, and then 195 multiply 300. First multiply 195 multiply 5. 5 5 ja 25. 2 will be carried, and here 5. 5 9 ja 45 plus 2 47. 7 4 will be carried. 5 1 ja 5 plus 4 9. 975. And then write 0. Then 6 5 ja 30. 0 and 3 will be carried. 6 9 ja 54 plus 3 57. 7 5 will be carried. 6 1 ja 6 plus 5 11. 11,700. Right here 0 0. 3 5 ja 15. 1 will be carried. 5. 3 9 ja 27. 27 plus 1 28. 8 2 will be carried. 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 5. 58,500. Now add 5 plus 0 plus 0 5. 7 plus 0 plus 0 7. 9 plus 7 16. 16 plus 5 21. 1 2 will be carried. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 8 11. 1 will be carried. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 5 7. 71,175 rupees. Salary of the minister is rupees 71,175. Now find the salary of horse rider. Number of working days 365. Salary of one day is equals to rupees 76. So 76 multiply 365. So first multiply 76 multiply 5, 76 multiply 60, and 76 multiply 300. 5 6 ja 30. 3 will be carried and 0. 5 7 ja 35. Plus 3 38. Right here 38. 380. And then write here 0. 6 6 ja 36. Again 3 carried out. 6. And 6 7 ja 42. 42 plus 3 45. So 4,560. 0 0. And then 3 6 ja 18. 1 carried out and 8 here. 3 7 ja 21 plus 1 22. 22,800. Now add 0. 8 plus 6 14. 4 1 will be carried. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 8 17. 7 1 will be carried. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 2 7. And then 2. 27,740. This is the salary of horse rider. Students, further we will continue in next video. Thank you.